Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to turn a video into a GIF on Telegram. If you want to turn a video into a GIF on Telegram, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not have one yet, it only takes a minute to create a new account so you can get started. Once you are in, head over to any chat in your Telegram inbox. It could be a one-on-one conversation or even a group chat. At the bottom of the screen, where you normally type messages, tap on the little paperclip or pin icon to attach media. From here, select a video from your gallery or camera roll. After you have picked the video, Telegram will give you some editing options. You can trim the length of the video so that only the part you want appears. This is especially useful if you just want a short clip to loop instead of sending the entire video. Now, look for the speaker icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to mute the sound. This is the key step because once the sound is turned off, Telegram automatically converts your video into a looping animation that behaves just like a GIF. After muting, you will notice the video preview now shows the GIF label, which means it will loop continuously without sound. At this point, simply tap on the send icon, and your clip will be shared as a GIF in the chat. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can turn any video into a looping GIF on Telegram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.